You big shot friend better come up with something soon. I didn't come to the United States to break my fucking back, mijo.
Hey, he's coming, okay? What do you want from me?
Coño, fuck, man.
I told you.
¿Qué le pasa a este hombre ahora, viejo? What's wrong?
Oye, hacer, compadre, jamón, ponle jamón.
¿Qué más carne ni más carne? Así viene el sándwich, man. Ay, Dios mío, mira eso. Look at that one. That one right there in the pink. She's beautiful, man. Look at those titties.
Look at that punk Willow, man. What's he got that I don't have?
Well, he's very handsome, for one thing. You know? I mean, look at the way he dresses, man. Come on, that style. Flash, pizzazz. A little coke money doesn't hurt nobody, you know?